Melanie Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Olaplex. Olaplex for damaged hair. Check it out. Hey, welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. I'm Melanie and I like makeup and hair, especially DIY hair. I've had so many disasters in the last year with my hair that I decided I had to try Olaplex because that's what the professionals use in a little higher strength at the salon. But you can take this at home, buy it from Sephora for $28 and use it as like a treatment after you wash your hair. So I love doing reviews, I love makeup, I love DIY hair, so subscribe to my channel right now and then we'll get into it. So subscribe, please, I really appreciate it. Okay, I really love subscribers. Okay, so, if you follow me at all, you know I made a mess of my hair. I dyed it blue, and then I had to bleach it, and I had to remove the color, and then it's just like this, okay? So it ended up kind of like straw. And so I said, it's time to bite the bullet and get the Olaplex. And the question you're asking me now is fucking cut to the chase and tell me, did it work right? I mean, that's what you want to know. So I'm going to go right ahead because I hate long reviews and say, yes, it works. It is not perfect. You don't end up with perfect hair. Look, okay? But it works. It is $28. I've used probably, a third to half the bottle in about 4 times. So I'm saying you might even be able to, depending on length of your hair, 10 uses out of it, because I just applied it to the damaged ends. So how does it work and what does it do? Okay, so when you've overprocessed your hair and it almost never seems to get wet in the shower, it just dries instantaneously because it's just so dry it doesn't absorb anything. For me, that's what this does. This takes it back into healthy, softer, doesn't feel brittle hair. It doesn't look like an oil treatment. It doesn't look like it's been highly conditioned. It just feels better. It feels softer, it feels better. And when I take a shower after I've used this, it gets wet. It absorbs water. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what it means. I'm not a professional, I'm a DIYer. Okay, so it gets it wet. It lasts a while. You're supposed to use it 2 to 3 times a week, but when I take a shower and then you apply it to towel dry hair and then you wait 45 minutes and then essentially you're taking another shower. It's once a week for me. That's about my maximum. Okay, let's cut to some use videos so you can watch that and then I'll get to my final thoughts. Okay, I'm going in with the Olaplex. It's all over my hands. My hair is freshly washed. I have no conditioner in, so that's why it looks like this. And it's time to do it. Let's go. All right, that was expensive stuff I just sprayed all over the house. All right, so it says put it in till your hair is moist. Okay, here we go, double time. I was debating over whether to give you music or voiceover, so I'm gonna voice over it and tell you that I was trying to be so sparing, so I was just using a little bit of time, applying it to the ends and rubbing it in good. I guess I could have been a little more generous with my product, but it's $28, right? So here I go, I put it all in. And my hair didn't have conditioner in it, so it was so hard. So then I decided I really should comb it through, and that seemed to take forever. I don't think this is the most important step. I did it the first time, I did it another time, and then another time I just kind of rubbed it in, and it really didn't seem to, I didn't notice really any difference. I don't know why I did this, but I tortured myself this way. But anyway, should I put on music for you, or should I just let you watch this? Oh, that's attractive. Yes, I am so glad I make these videos, so you can get to see this beautifulness. That's it. Comb it all through and you are done. This is just going to go on too long. Okay, so it is all combed in and I'm slicking it down and I'll get back to you in about 45 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes. It's kind of drying, but it feels soft and amazing. Oh. So I'm going to rinse it out in the shower, and then I'm going to shampoo and condition as normal, and eventually I will get back to you either tonight or tomorrow with beautiful locks. Okay, I'm not awake this morning, but check it out. Check out my hair. This is just one application. There's still some dry spots, but for the most part, it's like so soft and silky, and there's a remarkable difference, like unbelievable difference after one application. I'm gonna try it again in a couple of days and hopefully get rid of the last little bit, and I'll let you know what happens. Okay, so it's been a few days and I've showered again. As you can see, it's a little wet. I just wanted to update you after only one application. It still feels good, but once you shower it out, it's not as amazing as it first felt. I'm going to give it a couple more days and try it again and get back with you. Okay, it's time for my final thoughts. So, my final thoughts always come down to this: would I buy it again? Now, I still have like almost more than half the bottle left, and I will continue to use it because I fried my hair. If you are normal and you go to a salon and you don't have extra dry hair, I would not buy it. Maybe once this disaster grows out and I learn to do it properly, I don't feel the need for it. It's $28. It doesn't work out to that much, you know, per use, but $28 is a lot of money to shell out. So I would not buy it again. If I continue to do DIY hair and have disasters, I would definitely buy it again if I found myself in the condition where, like, you know, straw, brittle hair. Yeah, definitely go for it. So would I buy it again? Yes. If when I run out it gets straw and brittle again, I'll buy it again. It's worth it. I mean, I'm saving money by not going to the salon and doing my hair myself, so gotta use some of the real products, the real deal hairdresser products. You gotta get from Sephora. There's other places that sometimes sell it, but you don't know if it's the real deal. I don't know. That's it. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.